right, go and clear your work area except for a clean sheet of paper, a pencil, calculator, eraser, should be all you need. Clean sheet of paper, pencil, calculator. Make sure the memories of your calculator are cleared out. Okay, get those memories emptied out so you don't think you've got something stored that you don't actually use a memory that you thought you stored something else. So get those memories cleared out before we get started. All right, let's go ahead and pray, and then we'll go over the exam together. Lord, I thank you for my students. Lord, I pray that you would help them as they take the exam to do their very best. Lord, I pray for those students, particularly who aren't actually in the classroom, or students who are taking this at home or watching by way of video. Lord, I pray that you would give them an extra measure of grace. Help them now as they take this test to remember the things they've learned, the things that they've studied. Reward their effort, I pray. Give them clear thinking. Help us to be a good reflection of how hard they've worked and how well they understand the physics that I've taught them. Help them to pay attention to details on the math. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, well, let's go and take a look at the exam together. That first page, if you would, go and put your first and last name at the top and today's date in the date spot. First and last name in the name spot, today's date in the date spot. And today's date is 3/7/23. 3/7/23, today's date. Take a look at the test here. First page, multiple choice. Pretty straightforward. Choose the letter of the best answer. Page 2. More multiple choice. Page 3. More multiple choice up through number 28. Numbers 29 and 30, got a couple questions for you to answer. This will probably take a couple of sentences to answer, so we're not looking for one-word answers here, but take a couple of sentences as needed to answer numbers 29 and 30. Be sure to use terms that may have been referenced in the class. Page 4 starts the math. Got some problem solving for you there. Each problem is separate and independent. Be sure to circle answers, show work. Page 5, more problem solving. Again, each of these problems is separate. Be sure to show your work on these. Turning the page, page 6. Problem solving. Number 37 references number 36. It does not actually use any of the answers or work from number 36. You don't need to carry math over from 36 to 37. It's got separate information on 37. It just happens to reference number 36. And there is a bonus for you as well. All right, work carefully, work accurately. Be sure to use your cover sheet as you're working if you're here in the classroom.